Good morning, students. Today we are going to start GK of class 7th, page number 14, and name of the chapter is mythological creatures. These animals do not exist in reality, but they are often the most terrible enemy or powerful ally in the fantastical world of myths and fairy tales. Can you name these mythological characters? Choose your answer from the help box given below. Number one is I am a mythological creature with a lion's body and a human's head. I ask men riddles and eat them if they don't answer correctly. Sphinx. Sphinx is the right answer. Sphinx. Sphinx. Number two, I have a head made of snakes and the ability to turn people to stone if they look into my eyes. The answer is Medusa. 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 Number three, I am part lion, part goat, part dragon, and I can breathe fire. Chimera. 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 Number four, the Roman legend I am a creature who can destroy anything with just one look. I came from an egg laid by a cock and hatched by a serpent. The answer is Basilisks. Basilisk. Basilisks. Number 5. I have a lion's body and a bird's head, and I protect people from danger. My legend originated in Mediterranean more than 4,000 years ago. So the answer is Griffin. 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 Number 6. I am a half bird and half woman who, in popular folklore, lures sailors to their deaths by her sweet song. The answer is Siren. 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 Number 7. My name in Greek means round eye. I have only one eye that is in the middle of my forehead. I enjoy eating human flesh. Cyclops. Cyclops is the right answer. Cyclops. Cyclops. Number 8. I am a giant monster that looks much like a water snake with multiple heads. If one of my head is cut off, two of them grew back in its place. Hercules defeated me and buried me under a pile of rocks. The name is Hydra. 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 Hydra is the right answer. Number 9. I am a magical horse. My most striking feature is single spirally grooved horn on my forehead, which symbolized good luck. In stories, I am fierce yet good, selfless but solitary. I am beautiful and mysterious too. The answer is unicorn. 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 Number 10. A monster in Greek mythology. I have a head of bull and the body of a man. Minotaur is the right answer. Minotaur. Minotaur. Number 11. My beauty is legendary. I am a fish maiden with long flowing hair and incredible power. According to legends, I sing to people and God to enchant, enhance, and distract them and lure humans down to the underwater kingdoms. Mermaid is the right answer. Mermaid. Mermaid. Number 12. I am a beautiful winged horse and son of Poseidon. I appear in myths from all over the world and have been the subject of my paintings. A constellation that has been named after me, Pegasus, is the right answer. Pegasus. Pegasus. Number 13. I am a fabulous bird. According to the ancient Egyptian legends, I am consumed by fire every 500 years, but I rise again from my own ashes. You can also find stories about me in Greek mythology. Phoenix is the right answer. Phoenix. Phoenix. Number 14. I am part human and part horse. I am wild, untamed, and I represent the dark and unruly forces of nature. The answer is centaur. 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 Number 15. Though human, every full moon, though human, every full moon night, I turn into a howling wolf with superhuman strength and senses. The answer is werewolf. WERE. WOLF. Wolf. Werewolf is the right answer. Now let's go to the page number 16. It is the next chapter, and you can see screen names. There are few pictures given and name of the characters from film industry, and we have to name the real name of these film actor or actresses. So the number one is Katrina Kaif, and the real name is Kat Torikote. Kat Torikote is the right answer. Number two, Dilip Kumar. The real name is Yusuf Khan. Third one is Akshay Kumar, and the real name is Rajiv Bhatia. Fourth one is Rajnikant, and the real name of Rajnikant is Shivaji Rao Gaikwad. Number 5, Rekha, and the real name of Rekha is Bhanu Rekha Ganeshan. Number 6, Ajay Devgan, and the real name of Ajay Devgan is Vishal Devgan. Number 7, Taboo. The real name of Taboo is Tabassum Hashmi. Tabassum Hashmi is the right answer. Tiger Shroff. The real name of Tiger Shroff is Jai Hanumant. Jai Hanumat Shroff. Jai Hemant Shroff is the right answer. And The ninth one is Govinda, and the real name of Govinda is Govind Ahuja. So we have finished page number 16. Let's start page number 17. The ships ahoy. Fill in the blanks with the correct answers. Uh, 5 options are given, so we have to identify them. Number 1, San Francis Sir Francis Drake carried out the second uh, circumnavigation of the world in 1577 in his flagship, the Pelican, which he later renamed the Golden Hind. Golden Hind is the right answer. It weighed about 100 tons. Number 2, Admiral Horatian Nelson flagship, the Victory. Victory is the right answer. We have to fill Victory as the right option. Vanquished the French as well as the Spanish fleet at the Battle of Trafalgar, which took place near the coast of Spain on 21 October 1805. The ship has been preserved and is on view today in Portsmouth, England. So, Victory is the right answer. We have to fill the Victory. Number 3, in 1819, the Savannah, SAVANNAH, the Savannah became the first ship to employ steam power to cross the Atlantic Ocean. It demonstrated the practicability of steam navigation on the ocean by using a small steam engine and pine wood fuel supply. Number 4, on 14th 15th April 1912, the Titanic was the ship which was sunk in the ocean. So, on 14-15 April 1912, the Titanic, the world's largest and most luxurious ocean liner back then, disappeared into the icy depths of the North Atlantic on its maiden voyage of maiden voyage and took the lives of around 1500 people, including men, women, and children. Number 5, the Bismarck, BISMARCK. The Bismarck was the first of the two largest battleships built by the Germans during the World War II. Launched in 1939, the ship displaced 52,600 tons, mounted 8 15-inch 38 centimeter guns, and had a speed of 30 knots. So, by this, we have finished chapter name Ship Ahoy, and page number 17. Thank you.